Hello and welcome back to the only Russian alphabet course you will ever need, and I mean it. In this lesson, we're meeting our fourth familiar face, the letter Ka. Ka looks and sounds just like the English K. No tricks or surprises here. It just sounds like the K in the word king, and it always sounds like Ka, no other sounds. But remember how we talked about aspiration with the letter Te? Ka is also not aspirated. So the only difference between the sounds K and Ka is that there's no little puff of air with Ka like there is with K. Let's try it again like we did with T and Te. Put your hand in front of your mouth and try saying Ka, Ka, and K, K. Do you feel the difference? Let's listen to Victor saying Ka. Listen and repeat.
Ka, Ka, Ka.
Now that we learned to say Ka, let's learn to write Ka. Get your pencil and that free Russian writing paper I gave you in the first lesson. I've also made notebooks with plenty of sheets like this for writing practice to make things easier and more convenient. I have a link to them in the description. Uppercase print Ka is super easy. It looks just like uppercase print English K. It's the exact same when you write it. Lowercase print Ka looks just like a smaller version of the uppercase Russian Ka. It's just tinier, that's all. Uppercase cursive Ka still looks like a K that you're familiar with, but it's more flowy. You start at the top, go down, swoop around, up and over all in one stroke. The second stroke adds the bottom piece of the Ka. Lowercase cursive Ka also looks very familiar. It just looks like our English K. You'll just do a stroke down and then up, and then you'll do a second stroke for the bottom part, just as we did with the uppercase cursive Ka. Make sure you write a line of each of these and say them out loud while you write them. And if this video is helping you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, let's learn our vocabulary words now. This time I'm giving you two new words. These are two very common words. The first one is kak and the second one is tak. You're going to have to get used to saying the word kak because it's one of the most common words and it means how. And you need to know how to ask how. Let's listen to Victor saying the word kak. Repeat after him and listen to the intonation of the words as he asks the question.
Как? 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 Как?
Kak can also be used as the word like, but not like you like something, only as a comparison word. As in, you're learning Russian like me. You're learning Russian как me. The second word tak means so, and you will hear this one a lot. Let's listen to Victor saying tak.
Так. Так. Так.
Russian people also use tak as a filler word. They'll say it while they're talking or just randomly while they're thinking. While they're in the middle of a sentence, they'll say tak, or sometimes they'll be walking around, they'll say tak, tak, tak.
Так. Так, так, так.
Yeah, you'll hear that a lot around Russian people. And it's kind of fun to say anyway. Let's practice writing these two words now. Make sure you pay attention to how the other letters connect with Ka. It's different than how we connect to cursive K in English. In Russian cursive, the letters attach to Ka on top, not on the bottom. We can also make sentences using these new words. Let's try some.
Как мама. I'm learning Russian. Как мама. Как так? Как так? Как так?
I'm flying to the moon today.
Как так?
I just ate 20 pelmeni in one bite.
Как так?
Our cat can play the piano.
Как так?
I learned Russian in one day.
Как так?
Let's write these sentences. Again, make sure you write these words and sentences as your homework. That way, you keep practicing the letters that you learned before while also solidifying the new letter, ga. Also, you're getting real natural cursive practice of how the letters connect to each other. Plus, you're learning vocabulary and sentence structures. By the way, when you sign up for my free worksheet, don't forget that you also get access to all of the supporting written material that goes along with this course. You won't see Russian ka with a hard sign or a soft sign. However, there still is a hard ka and a soft ka. So we heard the hard ka in the words skak and tak. Your mouth is more open. You can feel the sound more in your throat. Your tongue hits the back of your mouth more near your throat. Let's try it. Tak. See where it is there? And the throat comes down. Tak, tak, tak. Let's compare it with the soft sound and let's use an English word to help. The word cute. It starts with a C, but it still uses an English K sound. Let's compare that sound. Cute. See where my tongue is? It's widened. There's a little space here where the air comes out. And you did the same thing with the soft te. See? Cute, cute. The English word key also makes this soft sound. Key, cute, key, key. You hear how the air over the tongue makes it softer than ka, ka, k, k. Let's listen to Victor making the soft ka sound.
Que? Que? Que?
Okay, that's all for ka. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video where we're learning the very last familiar face.